Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. A boy plays a video game in which he can move down, up, right, and left. He always starts from the position 0 comma 0. So the program must accept a set of instructions containing the up, that is U, left, that is L, down, that is D, and right, that is R. So the program must accept a set of instructions containing U, L, D, R, that is in lowercase, and finally it should print yes if he reaches the starting position again after these instructions, else we must print no. So a boy plays a video game in which he can move down, up, right, left. He always starts from the position 0 comma 0. The program must accept a set of instructions containing U, L, D, R, that is up, left, down, right in lowercase, and after that we must print yes if he reaches the starting position again after these instructions, else we should print no. Now we'll take our first case. So here you can see first we have the starting positions to be row equal to 0 and column equal to 0. So first we have U, that is up. So the row will be decremented by 1, that is -1. So then after that we have R, that is right. So the column will be incremented by 1. Then we have D. So the row will be incremented by 1, -1 plus 1, that is 0. Then we have L, that is the column will be decremented by 1. So now we have row equal to 0 and column equal to 0. That is, we are back to the starting position. So we must print yes as the output. Now we'll take our second test case. So here the starting position is 0 and 0. Now we have D, so it will be incremented by 1. We have consecutively the next two D's. So for that we'll increment by 1. Then we have L, so the column will be decremented by 1. Then we have R, so the column will be incremented by 1. Then we have 4 ups, so the row will be decremented by 1 for 4 times. That is -1, -1, -1, -1. That is, this gives -1 and here it is 0. So here column is equal to 0 but row is equal to -1. So we must print no as the output. So now we'll understand the key logic of this program. So row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0. That is it is the starting position. If CH is D means the row will be incremented by 1. If CH, that is character, is equal to L means, up means row will be decremented by 1. If character is R means the column will be incremented by 1. Else we have the left. So for that column will be decremented by 1. And finally, if the row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0 means we have to print the output accordingly. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the input moves in the form of input of dot strip of in lowercase so that it will be easy to perform our conditions. Then we'll have the row and column variables to be 0 and 0. Then we'll iterate over this moves for move in moves. We'll have if the move is equal to D means we must increment the row by 1. L if move equal to U means row will be decremented by 1. L if move equal to L means column will be decremented by 1. Else, that is R, column will be incremented by 1. So if row is equal to 0 and column equal to 0 means, that is, if you are back into our starting positions, we must print yes. Else will print no. So now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So here we have got the correct output, that is yes. So now we'll execute our second test case. Here we have got no as the output as we didn't get the starting position.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.